I was a boat stuck in a bottle that never got the chance to touch the sea. Just forgot on the shelf, no wind in the sails, going nowhere with no one but me. I was 1 in 100 billion, a burnt-out star in a galaxy. Just lost in the sky, wondering why everyone else shines out for me. But I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. Can make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours. I was a worn out set of shoes, wandering the city streets. Another face in the crowd, head looking down, lost in the sound of a lonely melody. And empty pockets and a roulette, always landing on a lost bet. And just live for the spin and hope for the win, go all in just to lose again. But I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. Make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours. The worst me is just a long gone memory. You put a new heartbeat inside of me. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours. Stuck in a bottle that never got the chance to touch the sea. But I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours. The worst me is just a long gone memory. You put a new heartbeat inside of me. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours.
Usemos esto como una enseñanza de la vida. Nunca sabe uno lo que va a pasar. Hay que estar preparados para lo que venga. ¿Okay? A veces no va a haber lo necesario y tienen que usar su creatividad con amor para poder solucionar los problemas que la vida trae. Right? We use this as a teaching moment, and life doesn't always work the way you want it to. So sometimes you got to be creative and count on some friends to help you, okay, to maybe resolve some of the issues that you have in your life. Las velitas encendidas que tienen en sus manos lo representan a ustedes. The lit candles that you have in your hands represent each other. Como individuos que ahora se unirán a encender la vela que los dos juntos van a ser como matrimonio. Together now you're going to light the big candle that represents your union as a marriage. Se ha apagado el uno al otro. Eclesiastés 4:12, como leímos, uno solo puede ser vencido, pero dos pueden resistir. La cuerda de 3 hilos no se rompe fácilmente. Though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord with 3 strands is not quickly broken. So one strand, 2 strands, and the other strand is God. La tercera, okay, parte de esto, el tercer hilo que los une es Dios. Nunca se olviden de Él. Bendice, Señor, estas arras que el novio y la novia se van a entregar, y derrama sobre ellos la abundancia de tus riquezas. Bless, Lord, these coins that the bride and the groom will give themselves, and pour out on them the abundance of your riches. Recibe estas arras.
Recibe estas arras
Como prenda de la bendición de Dios.
como prenda de la bendición de Dios
Y señal de los bienes
y señal de los bienes
que vamos a compartir.
que vamos a compartir.
en señal del cuidado
en señal del cuidado
que tendré
que tendré,
de que nada te haga falta
que nada te haga falta
en nuestro hogar.
en nuestro hogar.
Amy, yo recibo estas arras
Yo recibo estas arras
en señal del cuidado
en señal del cuidado
que tendré
que tendré
de lo que se aprovechará
de lo que se aprovechará
sabiamente en nuestro hogar.
sabiamente en nuestro hogar.
Receive these coins
Receive these coins
as a pledge of God's blessing
as a pledge of God's blessing
and a sign of the things
and a sign of the things
that we are going to share.
that we are going to share.
It's a sign of the care
As a sign of the care
I will take
I will take
so that nothing
so that nothing
is lacking in our home.
is lacking in our home.
I receive these coins
I receive these coins
of the care
of the care
that I would have,
that I will have,
that everything is used
that everything is used
wisely in our home.
wisely in our home.
Por favor, tómense de las manos. Mírense el uno al otro profundamente. Y recuerden este momento, en este tiempo. Look at each other profoundly and remember this moment, this time, and the promise you are making. Miguel, ¿mantendrás a Amy como tu persona favorita para reír con ella, emprender aventuras con ella, apoyarla en los momentos difíciles de la vida, estar orgullosa de ella, envejecer con ella y encontrar nuevas razones para amarla todos los días?
Sí.
Amy, will you keep Miguel as your favorite person to laugh with, go on adventures with, support him through life's tough times, be proud of him, grow old with him, and find new reasons to love him every day?
Yes.
Ambos han elegido usar anillos como recordatorio de sus promesas. Both of you wanted to use rings as a sign of your promises. Miguel, ¿qué regalo le ofreces a Amy como símbolo de tu amor?
Con este anillo,
Yo, Miguel,
yo, Miguel,
te tomo a ti, Amy
te
Sánchez,
tomo a ti, Amy Sánchez,
para que seas mi esposa.
para que seas mi esposa.
Me comprometo a estar contigo
Me comprometo a estar contigo
en los momentos
en los
buenos
momentos buenos
como en los malos.
como los malos.
Cuando tengamos prosperidad,
Cuando tenemos hay que decir, prosperidad.
como cuando tengamos necesidad.
Cuando tenemos necesidad.
Cuando gocemos
Cuando gocemos
de buena salud,
de buena salud.
como cuando haya enfermedad.
Cuando hay ¿cuál es?
Enfermedad.
Enfermedad. Sí.
Esto lo cumpliré
Esto lo cumpliré
hasta que la muerte nos separe.
hasta que la muerte nos separe.
Que me ayude Dios
Que me ayude Dios
a cumplir con mi promesa.
a cumplir con mi promesa.
Amy, what gift do you offer Miguel as a symbol of your love?
This ring.
I, Amy,
I, Amy,
take you, Miguel Mariscal,
take you, Miguel Mariscal,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise to be with you
I promise to be with you
in the good times
in the good times
as well as the bad.
as well as the bad.
When we have prosperity
When we have prosperity
as well as when we have need.
as well as when we have need.
When we enjoy good health
When we enjoy good health
as well as when there is illness.
as well as when there is illness.
This I will fulfill
This I will fulfill
until death do us part.
until death do us apart.
May God help me
May God help me
to keep my promise.
to keep my promise.
Miguel y Amy, ustedes han venido hoy aquí por su propia voluntad y en presencia de familiares, amigos y seres queridos. Han declarado su amor y compromiso el uno al otro. Han dado y recibido anillos como símbolo de sus promesas. Por el poder de su amor y compromiso mutuo y el poder que me ha sido conferido, ahora los declaro marido y mujer. Ahora pueden sellar sus votos con un beso.
Yeah.
Don't go nowhere. A Miguel y Amy Mariscal.
I can't reign, I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you. I won't run, I won't fly, I will never make it by without you, without you. I can't rest, I can't fight, all I need is you and I without you, without you. Can't erase, so I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you, without you. I can't quit now, this can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you, without you. I won't soar, I won't climb. If you're not here, I'm paralyzed without you, without you.
When she's okay, then I'm alright. When she's awake, I'm up all night. When nothing really matters, nothing really matters. I see her face, and in my mind I seize the day whenever she's nearby. It's like nothing really matters, no, nothing really matters. She completes me, sighs, she reads me right and wrong. It's so clear she's all that I need, all I need, yeah. I know what it feels like, I know what it feels like, swimming through the stars when I see her. And I don't need it 'cause I breathe her. I know what it feels like, I know what it feels like, yeah. I breathe her, breathe her. Every time I see her, every time I see her, oh. When I'm lost and need a sign, she leads the way, and I'll be fine. And nothing really matters, nothing really matters. She completes me, sighs, she reads me right and wrong. It's so clear she's all that I need, all I need, yeah. I know what it feels like, I know what it feels like, swimming through the stars when I see her. And I don't need it 'cause I breathe her. I know what it feels like, I know what it feels like, yeah. I breathe her, breathe her.